Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a man fan. Yeah. Basically Appa is trying to clear my fridge again. Yeah. So what do we have? Yesterday we have a lot of leftover steamed rice. Today I actually just use a steamer to steam it for a couple of minutes to make it hot again. And then we also had roast pork. Yeah, stir fry roast pork from yesterday. Some veggie, yeah. You can have any kind of veggie. I have a bit of wood ear, choy sam, and also shredded, not shredded, julienned carrot. Basically, you can use anything that you really want to clear off your fridge, yeah. And few pieces of ginger, chopped garlic, 1 to 2 eggs, and this is 1 big bowl of chicken stock. Yeah, you can look for my chicken stock video on how to make it very easy. I always got chicken stock in my freezer. Right, so let's start with a bit of oil here, about 2 tablespoons to start with. And you want to saute your ginger and garlic to give it some basic flavor. Saute this for a minute or two, we will come back shortly. Right, after that you can actually put in the roast pork. To extract out some of the pork fat, which is very fragrant. The veggie, any veggie you want to clear. It may look a lot, but the veggie will shrink, yeah, don't worry. All the videos that you see on Appa's channel, those are not recipes videos, those are Appa's dinner. Or lunch sometime, yeah? Appa will cook for my family at least 5 times a week, at least. Of course, now during MCO, Appa is cooking almost every day. Right? Remember, we have this chicken stock, 1 big bowl. We can add some hot water, because later we are going to starch it, yeah. Right. Let's give it some seasoning. I'm going to start with oyster sauce. About 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. A bit of Shaoxing wine. Okay. A bit of light soya sauce. A bit of fish sauce. Fish sauce is optional, yeah, but it's my personal favorite. All the seasoning that I use, I will put the information inside the description box on where to find it, yeah? Don't worry. For those who are interested to know. A bit of salt, followed by some sugar. By adding sugar after salt, basically what you are doing is you will intensify the potency of the salt. Few dashes of white pepper, and we can now prepare the starch solution. At least 3 teaspoons. I'm not exactly a very starchy person, so you can control the starchiness yourself. I'm preparing the starch solution right now. Right, once the veggie is cooked, then it's good enough because the roast pork is already cooked. Wow, very fragrant. I wish you can smell this. Super fragrant. Right? So I'm going to off the fire and add in the starch solution. Some people ask me, Wapa, why is it you add the starch solution after you off the fire? Because if your wok is still boiling, then the starch solution can actually become clump very easily. Of course, if you are seafood, go ahead. You can add in starch solution anytime you like. It's not really very thick. You know, Appa is not really a very starchy person. Alright, then I'm going to add in 1 egg. Always add in the egg after you add in the starch. So then you can create the smooth egg effect. Like what you're seeing right now. Alright? The starchier your gravy is, your smooth egg is going to look even better. Appa's one is actually a little bit quite watery. Alright, especially done. You can add in a little bit of garlic oil or sesame oil right now if you like. Actually, I will just add in a little bit of sesame oil, 1 to 2 drops. Done. Easy. Alright, here's Appa's men fan. Yep. I don't know what is it called in English, men fan. Anyway, if you know, put it in the comment section to teach Appa, yeah? So, if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, you can actually top it up on with a fried egg. Yeah. So, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.